हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आशा है आप सब अच्छे हैं और मज़े से पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं. Now see, in our previous class, we have started our chapter Coordinate Geometry. And we have learned so many things. How to represent quadrant, how many quadrant, in which quadrant, which value will stay. Now today, after learning all the topics and important terms, today we will solve some problems related to this. Now you see the question and tell the answer after seeing the graph from the top part. Now see, here I have drawn a graph, horizontal line and vertical line. I told you this horizontal line is called what? X-axis, and this vertical line is called what? Y-axis. Now see here, I have represented all the coordinates as what? B, M, L and S. Now you can see this is positive part, this is what? Also positive, negative and negative. Okay, now you have to see how we will plot all the values. I told you what are abscissa and the ordinate. In our previous class, we have discussed all these things. Now here you see the abscissa and the ordinate of the point B are. Abscissa we know, and what? Ordinate also we know. So here we are seeing the abscissa and the ordinate. So here abscissa is what? 4 and ordinate is what? 3. So here the abscissa and the ordinate of the point B are what? 4 and 3 respectively. Hence, you can tell the coordinates of B. Please tell the coordinates of B. So that will be what? 4 and 3. Similarly, you tell the coordinates of M, coordinates of L and coordinates of S. Hope you will be able to write the coordinates of M, L and S. This part I will not tell because I am giving you time to think also, and this is not a very tough thing. Similarly, as you have seen the first one, you can write all these values. Now see, after knowing, you have to give the answer of certain questions that we have discussed earlier also. Now see, if y coordinate of a point is 0, what I am telling, if y coordinate of a point is 0, then where will this point lie in the coordinate plane? Here we are observing y coordinate of a point is what? 0. Definitely that will lie on the where? X-axis. Now see, in which quadrants the abscissa of a point is negative, that I will not tell. Just you see your previous note which we have discussed earlier, and you have to write here in which quadrants the abscissa of a point is negative. Is that okay? And if you face problem, please you contact me. After that, let us discuss the third question. Find the point whose ordinate is -3. What the question? Whose ordinate? Ordinate means what? X-axis or Y-axis? Please you think. And which lies on the Y-axis? We know that ordinate is what? Y-axis. And we know that if any point lie on the Y-axis, its X-axis is how much? 0. I told you in the previous class. So that the point will be what? 0 and -3. Other question you have to solve is find the perpendicular distance of the point P5, 7 from the y-axis. Please you find the perpendicular distance of the point. This much for today's class, and what you have to do, you have to solve all the solved examples of this chapter. What you have to do? You have to solve all the solved examples of the NCERT textbook of the chapter what? Coordinate Geometry, and you have to show me also. Till then, this much for today, and some other problems of the next exercise we will solve in the next class. Thank you.